To the friends who don't pick up their phone. Has he...
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
You don't like to pick up. Pickup's not what you do. But if you don't pick up, I might hit you with the rock.